will be really interesting 1, 2 years hence to see what has happened, whether this is working. It's the proverbial genie out of the bottle. So can you really regulate AI like that in the kind of information world that we live in? I don't know how that works.
I don't think you can regulate AI. I think you regulate the use of AI.
Yeah.
And based on the outcomes. And I'm looking at it here, actually, just pulled it up. Proposed penalty up to 40 million or 7% of revenue.
Wow.
Whichever's higher. I heard a great quote on this topic, our friend Ari Kaplan.
Ari.
He said, I'm not sure AI will replace lawyers, but lawyers that use AI will definitely replace lawyers that don't.
Well said.
It's a tool, right?
It's a tool.
I'm not scared of it. I remember discussion about attorneys seeking to work at the top of their license, and really any professional who want to do the edge case work that pushes boundaries and that really calls up all of their skills, creativity, and diligence. Same true for attorneys, right? There's a lot of rote, repetitive, brute force tasks that are required. Think about legal research. Sometimes document review exercises can have a massive scope. And so I view this as a tool so that bright attorneys that use it well and know when to deploy it can get back working at the top of their license, the creative things, the legal arguments, access to justice, thinking about improving the field all around in our lives, which is the whole point of being in law anyway.
Yeah, I mean, I think the critical thinking skills are still at a premium, even more of a premium, right? So critical thinking skills are negatively correlated to AI. It is going to take that final review, the human touch, those things that we see in context and concepts that may not be represented in the words. To me, there will always be a place for humans, for lawyers who are trained and understand and have the human experience. The extent to which it's augmented, or I think it's going to be the real question. It will be fascinating.